Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? So, well, this is a bit odd, isn't it? A midweek update, but there's a few things I need to get done that I've kind of forgotten about, and I don't get around to doing them. So, shout outs, I don't do nearly enough of them, so I apologise for that. And I'm always a little bit nervous about doing shout outs because I know I'm going to forget someone. I'd be here all day if I said thank you to everyone that deserves it. I know there's plenty of subscribers out there that deserve a shout, and other YouTubers as well. So I'll do my best. If you're a YouTuber and you're starting up, you're into classic minis or classic cars, you want to shout out, just pop something down in the description and I'll do my best to give you a shout out. So there's a couple of things I need to do. First one is a big apology, actually, massive apology. So before I start, actually, I got a request off one of the other YouTubers, thedjse. There's a guy that's got a YouTube channel, Graham at Team Stockdale. Unfortunately, he had some really bad news in the summer this year. He sadly lost his wife to cancer. But more recently, I think he's lost the login details or can't get into his YouTube channel. So I think he had 80 odd subscribers subscribed to his channel. And he's had to start a new channel or move over to another channel. So if you used to subscribe to Graham Team Stockdale, he can't get into there to upload any videos, so you need to go and search for, if you search for Team Stockdale Classic Mini DIY, you should get back to him. So unfortunately, I think he's only got about 20 odd subscribers over there, so he's lost a few in the transition. So if you can just do that. And just moving on, it was just a massive reminder for me. So before Christmas, I'd done my 12.75 giveaway. We done a giveaway for guessing the right amount of cash in the money box, which was approximately 30 quid. The person that gave the right figure got that 30 quid in mini spares vouchers, so I would imagine they're long spent now. I did say at the time I would donate the exact same amount, so another £30 to a cancer charity, and I'd almost forgotten about it, and tonight was a real reminder actually. So I saw one of Graham's videos, saw about his wife, again lost to cancer, so kick up the arse that. So I got straight on, went onto the Cancer Research UK site, took me all of 20 seconds, 30 quid donated. Maybe I'll stick a picture screenshot up or something like that, but yeah, that's done. I feel better in myself now. I'm really sorry for forgetting about that. The good thing is as well, I've done it on gift aid, so although it was only £30 that I donated, it's actually £37.50 I think, because they get the tax back on it. So just moving on to the shout outs. Basically, I'm not going to shout you out unless you give a special request if you've got more than 500 subs, because I want to help out small channels and I want to help out other mini enthusiasts as well. So some of these people, they're just off the top of my head. I apologise if I've missed someone, but I just think they deserve a few more subscribers. I think their channels are good. I thoroughly recommend them. If you get a chance, go over there, have a look what they've got to offer, and if you enjoy it, I'm sure you will, go and subscribe to them. So the first one is a guy called Randy. He's Lone Star Mini, absolutely fantastic channel. He's only got 176 subscribers at the moment. He should have way more than that. Get over there, really nice, honest guy, and make some interesting content as well. Next one, Alex from the thedjse. Again, he's had his ups and downs with minis. He's got a great little channel, quite interesting, quite funny, and he's just a hobbyist like many of you other people are, many of the people watching, and he's just doing the best with what he's got. Next one, Mini Tom. So Tom, his channel's called Mini Tom, 331 subs. This guy's definitely worth going and watching. He gives out some really good information. knows his stuff about cars as well, so you know the information he's giving you is generally pretty good and pretty reliable from what I've seen. So go and check him out. Adam Campion as well, so he's got a little restoration going on. Thoroughly nice guy, and again I'm sure you'll pick up some good tips from him. And Essex Mini as well, so it's Chris at Essex Mini. He's not uploading, or he has got some good content on a mini restoration he was doing, but now he's kind of set up his own business doing etching, engraving, custom signs, t-shirt printing. He also does restoration of parts on minis, so powder coating, what else, I don't know, metal plating, all sorts of things. So go over, check him out, see what he does, and go and check out his website as well. So I'll put a link in the description. I think it's Etch It UK or something like that, but he does all sorts of stuff. Custom, very, very quick, and thoroughly nice guy as well. And last, or not quite last, but certainly by no means least, my #1 subscriber, Alex Toon. So Alex has got 370 subscribers. Please go and check out his channel. He's only got a few videos on there. He's new to doing this YouTube stuff, but he's got an amazing story to tell, and he certainly gives me a lot of inspiration. I think the guy is absolutely great, actually. You can't fail to be inspired by him. If you're going to watch one extra video today, go over and subscribe to Alex and look at his story, his video. And finally, one more subscriber, one more YouTuber I want to mention. I discovered him the other day. I think he's only got 3 or 4 videos up. He has got 30 subscribers, so wouldn't that be great if we could double that in 24 hours? I've not spoken to him personally yet. I've left a few comments. His videos are quite funny. I'm sure he's going to be an asset to the YouTube community. He just looks like one of those sort of interesting guys. That's Ads Mini Build. So that's AD''S, Ads Mini Build. Go over, check it out, and give him a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell him you come over from this channel. So I think that's it for the shout out. So like I say, go and check these guys out. And the last thing I just needed to update you on as well, it's Bingley Hall on Sunday, so try and get this video out tomorrow, which will be Thursday, ahead of a couple of videos I've got prepared for the weekend. But I'll be going up to Bingley Hall on Saturday with Mark. Mark's the guy I do the project kit build with, and another guy from the mini club, and I think we're going to be meeting some more YouTubers up at Bingley Hill on the Saturday evening for a curry. On the Sunday we'll be at Bingley Hall along with a load of others. We will be at Alex Toon's Mini at 2 o'clock, and there's a couple of Q&A sessions being organised by the British Mini Club. Not quite sure where they're going to be, but I think that's just an open mic session, so the ones of us that are brave enough to do it have volunteered to stand there with a mic and answer questions. Just in advance, I just will ask, we're all hobbyists. None of us are experts at this sort of thing. We do our best. Some of us have got more mechanical backgrounds than others, but it's kind of just an open mic session. Come, ask those questions, you know, find out about things, and we'll try and do the best we can. If it's a really detailed technical question, we might struggle though, but we'll give it a go. And yeah, just be nice to see some of you guys. So if you see me wandering around, you know, come and say hi. Be nice to see you, shake your hand, and thanks for subscribing, tuning in, liking when you're giving the thumbs up, and I do appreciate all the comments. So thanks guys, have a great week, and if you're at Bingley, yeah, have a great time. It's a great show. Cheers.